Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Oracle Linux 9.6 server on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Oracle official website and download. Go to oracle.com, then click on products. Scroll down, see here we have the Linux, click on it. Download Oracle Linux, then click on ISO, see here ISO images, then click on this Oracle installation media for x86 64-bit. See here we have the 4 types of ISOs. You can go through each one of them, find the definition and download respective ISO. Scroll down. See here we have the full ISO, boot ISOs and source ISO. In boot ISO we have the boot ISO and UVK boot ISO. But the installation process for DVD ISO or boot ISO is same. Okay, so in this video I am going to download and install Oracle Linux 9.6 DVD ISO. Click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 12.7 gigabytes. But if we select boot ISO, its size is very less. It is around 1 plus. See, its size is 1.2 gigabytes. So I am cancelling both. It is up to you. I have downloaded DVD ISO. So once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, search for this video description. There you will find how to install VirtualBox. Click on new or go to machine and select to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving virtual machine name as Aura 96 VMS. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down and select other. And this is the default location. If you want some other location, then select the path where you have the enough space. Provide the name for the folder. Click on select the folder. Then select the downloaded ISO image, go to other. See here I have the Oracle Linux 9.6 DVD ISO. Select it, click on open. Then see, once you select it, type change it to Linux, subtype to Oracle Linux version 64-bit. Then select the checkbox, that is skip unattended installation. Then click on hardware, then provide the memory. By default it is 2 gigabytes. I am giving 4. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click on it, select settings, or go to machine and select settings, or click on settings. All 3 options are same. Okay, the only option that I want to change is go to settings, system, pointed device to USB tablet. Click on OK. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the Oracle Linux 9.6 server on VirtualBox. Use up and down arrows, select the first one, that is install Oracle Linux 9.6.0. Hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control key from your keyboard to release the cursor. See, cursor is released. Now select the language and click on next, that is continue. Now see here the begin installation has been graded. Why? Because we have to select the options that are marked with red color. Those are must be selected. Click on installation destination. I am okay with the default. Click on done. Root account. Provide the password for the root account. If you want to log root account, you have to select the checkbox. Allow root SSH login with password. Click on done. Done. Create user. I am giving user full name as after schools. Username same. Make this user administrator. Provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Now we have to select softwares. So click on software selection. Select software if you want. Okay, if you want server with Geo, you have to select this button, this radio button. I want only server, so select it and select these additional softwares like DNS name or FTP server, whatever the options that you want, you can select this. Then click on OK. See, as I told you, this is for server. Okay, we have to select in software selection server. See, review these settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. Okay, I'm going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. Okay, in the meantime please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. See, we have successfully installed. See the version 9.6. Okay, now connect by using the user that you have created. Provide the password. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the version again. /etc/os-release. Hit enter. See, we have installed Oracle Linux 9.6 server edition. Okay, so the first step after connecting to Oracle Linux 9.6 version server version is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle Linux 9.6 server edition on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.